So guys, first of all, open the KineMaster app. Click plus icon. Click 16:9. So guys, first of all, open the KineMaster app. This app download link in description. Now click here, click editing, and click fit in screen. Now go back here, click media, input your original video. Now go to first and click the video track. Click here and click third option for capture a clean photo. Okay, this photo is captured. Now click the video track, click volume and disable the original volume. Now we'll play this. Okay, this is my extra part. Click here and trim to right, left, and play this. Sorry. Okay, this is last part, and now click scissor icon and trim to right, and now click layer, click media and input green screen video. This video download link in description. Now slide here and go to okay, go to here, click the track, click scissor icon and split, and now this part dragon here. Okay, sorry. Okay, this image dragon here for full screen. Now click the track, click duplicate and duplicate. Now here click the layer, click scissor icon and trim to right. Now click first layer, click scissor icon and extract to audio. Sorry. Okay, extract to audio. Now this audio drag in here. Now click the layer and delete this and click the layer and delete this. Now go to the layer, click the layer, chroma key, enable the chroma key, and now adjust perfectly. Okay, now this is adjusted. Okay, now again adjust properly, adjust. Okay, adjust here. Now click the track and drag in here. Now play this. Okay, now play this. Now go to here and set perfectly for reality look and Now play this. Now is split. Now again for perfectly match. Click here. Okay. Now play again. Okay guys, now click share icon and X and select the resolution for TikTok and export.